Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Muhammad Irfan and you are watching Please Force Pro YouTube channel. This is English preposition lecture number 2, most repeated preposition MCQs. सबसे ज़्यादा पूछे जाने वाले इंग्लिश के सवालात. The metro station is right beneath the airport. Someone was having a party in the flat below. The lake is almost 700 feet below the sea level. She slept while she was watching the movie. She slept during the movie. There wasn't much until among the council members. The meeting was put off by the chairman. Mountain is covered with snow. How do you feel about their coming? I called him about he was very busy in his work. I called at. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Please Force Pro YouTube channel.